activate. So, parang wala pa. So, ayun, there you are. So, welcome programmers. Good afternoon. Si Michael Lazaro. Actang presents. Okay. So, let's now proceed with our new topic. So, I guess this is the last topic for this term. For this rather for this what they call this one for this module, no, module 2. What week today is today, or is this week ano na tayo ngayon, week 10, week 11,
Dili ba 8-9, sir? 8-9?
8 9 pa ta.
Yes, sir. Murag 8 na yan.
So advanced data. Sige, okay, sige. Now, anyway, so we are going to discuss array today. So array, so when we talk about array, I know some of you are already familiar with arrays. So array is actually married to loops. It's I mean, for that's for me, no. So because array is not useful if you're not going to partner it with loops. So kumbaga, like gatas at kape na siya, no? They should be they should complement with each other. So complement rather. So mag-uban dapat sila. So now when we talk about array is a data structure in which it allows us to store data, to manage data, to maintain data via a single type of data type in a contiguous part of memory. So when we talk about contiguous part, tapad-tapad, no? Tapad-tapad na, or kumbaga, they are arranged in a sequence manner. So sequence in a way that most likely in a tapad-tapad na pagka-arrange sa data. Okay, data or elements. All right. So, but before we'll have an array, the motivation why an array is here, it's because of course, now the programmer will need to. I mean, will need to. Uh, let's say for an instance, now in cases now there's no need of using array. Okay. So let's say for an instance, I'm going to give you a scenario where, or let's say for an instance, you are in a scenario where your teacher or your friend or your boss, no, so let's say you're in a development team and then you are tasked to add a numbers, no, or add numbers, particularly 10 numbers. So when you don't have the idea of array, of course what you will do probably is this is what you I guess this is what I have actually sent you, no, in a video. So but I'm gonna repeat it. Let's say we have here N1, N2, probably going up to N10. Tama ba? Until N10. So most probably, imuhang ano is this variables right here represents the number of values, no? The number of data that you're going to ask from the user. And apparently, these variables are used to store those data that are coming from the user's input. So shall we say, let's continue this one, N4, N5, N6, N7, N8, and N9. All right. So until N10. So because again, the scenario is you're going to add all numbers or input integers or entered integers, uh, 10 entered integers from the user. So if you don't have, I mean, you don't have the idea of array and also loops, you might do this one, okay, this kind of solution. So then you'll have here C out. Oh, probably you will be asking the user to enter a number or integer, and you do this, right? So C in N1, and then you do N2, okay, another N2. So which is, this could be like duplicated until all of the variables that you have used or that you have defined or declared will conclude, no, the accept accepting of numbers like this one. So we have enter number n1, n2 until n10. Of course, it doesn't have the problem because I mean for this solution it's okay kasi wala man siya we don't violate any rule. So okay ra siya because you just have to, you're just what they call this one, kaning follow lang nimo unsay gi pangayo sa imong or say task nimo, like adding the numbers from n1 n2 until like n10. So probably ana no, n1 n2 n3 n4 n5 until n10. So and then tama naman imong program. Okay, however this kind of program is like wasting our time in a way that imagine you're going to create a 10 what we call this on replication of this, not replication but in a way na halos medyo balik-balik, like you're asking for the number and then ang ano lang is nag-change lang ang variables going towards 1 to 10. No? So manageable lang siya because it's it's only 10 numbers. But what if it is like 100 numbers? Let's say thousands of numbers. So how do you do that? So if that is the case na 1,000 na ka-numbers ang ipangayo, so don't tell me mag-declare ka of 1,000 numbers, 1,001, no? Like N1, N11, N12, N13, N14, okay? Something inana. So, and yeah, we can do that, but if you allow that to yourself, so it's like you are it's manageable but it's tiresome. Why? Because again, you will need to declare 1,000 numbers, no, and 1 to n10. And as it follows, kailangan po nimo maghimo og output statements. Pag kumbaga mga 1,000 ka output statements, 1,000 po ka input statements. Just for you to achieve this kind of problem. So, kaya ra, manageable ba ra, but nga, programmers must be lazy. Lazy in a sense that they'll have to look for the easiest way kasi we are lazy. We are believed to be lazy. We are believed to be natapulan, kung kaga tapulan. So, kay tapulan ng programmers, they'll have to look for the easiest and the quickest way. So, maunang ano sa to ano, maunang pag tapulan ka, mas okay na siya. Okay? But as a programmer, okay, dili tapulan sa real world na dili masugo. Okay? So in a sense na you kay tapulan man ka, you don't allow yourself to stuck in this kind of situation na mag-ano ka og numbers or mag-declare ka numbers, wasting all your time, all your effort just to solve this particular problem. Now, because of that problem or because of this pitfall, you will need to look for another solution. So let's say, since you have now the idea of loop, no? So you just found out na, okay, so what if I'm going to use loop instead of this inamban na pagka-program? So if that's the case, let's start with, let's say, N10 lang. And actually, we have done this one. So we just have here the number, let's say one number, probably we could have here the sum, and you could have here the input, something like that. And then since you have already the pattern, enter number, so you will use loop. So let's say for an instance, we are going to use loop. Okay. And then let's start with let's say or int I, let's say equal to 0, I is less than 10, or let's say, 10. And then, or ibut na natin siya sa 1. less than or equal to 10, and then we have here I plus plus. Okay, and of course you will need to put it inside of the for loop. So with that, we have here cn rather, input. So pwede na rin niwala ang num. Okay, so let's remove num. Dili na ni siya kailangan. Sige, ato nang gamiton later on. Okay, so after that, you will have here a sum of like a formula in getting the sum. So sum plus is equal to, let's say, input, and then display the sum. So there, no? In this particular program, you are able to, as a programmer, you are able to find another solution, which is it lessens the code. Kumbaga, the lesser the code, the better. So mas okay siya if ma-lessen mo ang code, and um, it still solves the problems the same way of what we provided earlier. It's only that we shortened the cycle of like we shortened our our like in terms of the time and effort, medyo lesser time and effort atong gibuhat, and also lesser code. So that's what I meant of being lazy as a programmer. Okay, so now you're able to have here you're now able to solve that problem now, so with another uh, programming construct, which is using loop. Okay, so even if gusto nimo siya able to 1,000, you can do that. So this one right here will be repeated 1,000 times, and the input is going to be added to sum. So every time the user enters value to input variable, it will be summed up to the value sum. And I know you know what this one all about. I mean, you can already read this one because you have already idea of loops. Okay, but the problem here in this situation is that what if there's another requirement that is another requirement from your boss asking you to, let's say, I don't want you to, I mean, aside from the program that is asking the user to input 1,000, I would like you to, oh my god, imong boss, I would like you to also, so you get the sum now already, I would like you to also like um, retrieve, or I want to know, the program should know what is the entered value at let's say sa ika-6 na ika-6 na unsa na, meaning ika-6 na number, so gusto niya mahibalaan kung sa ika-6 na number nag-enter sa user, or ika-50th, ika-60th, no, ika-inana. So what if na inana na mga situation, or something like in the future gusto niya na ang program would process or do some more analysis on like right here, no? So what if na inana na mga scenario, or na may inana na requirements or specifications for your program? So in layman's term, what if imong boss dingon siya na I would only like to we sum the numbers from 1 to 1,000, or input nato na numbers 1,000 numbers from the users. What if I'm also going to get the product of the numbers which are um, let's say which are kadtong numbers that are even, or the numbers that are odd, something like that. Or how about gusto na ko mahibalaan kung gusto na ko i-add tong unsa lang katong ika-10 nga number, ika-20 nga number, or ika-50 na number. So what if inana ang like gusto na ang program inana dapat. So with the situations that we are in, with the program that we have right now, we cannot do that. It cannot do that unless we do if conditions right here. Like for an instance, probably yun ka if, magbutang kag if I is equal to 10, so you get the value. And then if I is equal to 50, so let's say kay gusto ni boss, no, na i-add nimo ang katong sana 10th number, tapos ika 40th number, and then also ang ika 90th number. So meaning i-multiply nato ni siya ng mga numbers. Okay, so multiply. Okay, so if we do this, if we want to achieve this, this program that we have right now is really impossible to yield this one. So dili siya impossible in a sense na sige, dili man siya impossible. We can do this. Pwede nato siya mag-if condition ta na if. So probably mabuta kag if I is equal to 10, and then let's say kay value na multiply. Do you follow? Gets ninyo akong gusto pasabot? Gets ninyo, class? Hello?
Sir, proceed.
Oh, proceed.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Pero confusing siya, sir, sa gi-mention nimo na anak ka na dili pwede nga tanan, sir.
Sa tanan.
For example, ay kanang makabalota na unsa ang gi-input sa user sa tanan.
Sa tanan.
For example, sir, nag-input si user og sa 1 to 10. I-mention nimo na dili siya makuha sa program pero kailangan nimo siya i-indicate kung unsa ang buhaton sa iyaha, ingana?
No, dili. Let's say for an instance, 1,000 numbers man 1,000 man atong loops, di ba? Mao may gusto sa atong boss example, tama?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, and then so meaning kapila ni mag-loop?
1,000.
1,000. So
1,000.
pila ka numbers ang dawaton niya from user?
1,000, sir.
1,000. Very good.
1,000.
So, very good. Now, kato na numbers, di ba, is i-add man to niya, tama? Ibutang niya sa sum every now and then na mag-input og numbers. Tama?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So, now, what if na additional na requirement from your boss saying na, let's say, ang iyang gusto na requirement is aside from mag-sum ta, I also would like to multiply the numbers, particularly katong numbers that the user entered in the 10th, in the 40th, and the 90th. Do you follow? Gusto sa boss na i-add po to niya ang number na kaning ika-10th, ika-40th, o 90th. I mean, i-multiply niya. So, you can do that by adding an if condition inside of your loop. Tama ba?
Yes, sir.
So, which is, ang imong buhaton, mag-ana ka, if, let's say, I is equal to 10, para makuha nimo ang ma-multiply nimo. So, kaya raman, no? Ma-multiply nimo ang katong input. Okay? And then, so, also, pwede na nimo i-or, no? If I is equal to 10 or I is equal to 40 or I is equal to 98. May gusto sa imong boss na pag ang ika-10 na number, ang ika-10 nag-i-input sa user o ang ika-40 nag-input sa user o ang ika-98 kay i-multiply niya. Sorry. This one should be multiplied. Gets ninyo ne?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So where we will this program able to solve that requirement from your boss? Yes. No, nakuha na to siya. I mean, we are able to actually solve it based sa requirements ato ang boss. Okay, so we can now say that the product of, let's say, 10th number 98, this one kay i-pronounce, no? And then 40th di also 40th numbers is kay ato ang kating sama, no? So kaya is atong gamiton. So we have here multiply. Okay, so kaya na-solve na to with using if condition. Okay, so kaya man na-solve man, but what if ang gusto na ipasabot sa inyong boss is the program has the capability to ask the user kung unsa iyang gusto i-multiply. Let's say i-multiply to niyang dili siya static na 10, dili siya static na ika-40, dili siya static na ika-98. Gusto niya na the program is going to enter, the program is going to ask the user to multiply only a certain numbers. Na unsa to na mga numbers gusto niya, let's say, ang user may input og ika-10, ika-40, ika-98. So while we are able to provide solution for that, but it's actually static, it's actually fixed, meaning always 10 na siya, always 40, always 98. Okay? So, ang gusto na ipasabot sa inyong boss, what if ang program is mangayo og input sa user na i-add ba niya ni ika-11, ika-12. So, dili siya ingon na 10 lang, dili ika-40 lang, ika-98 lang. Gusto niya ma-retrieve to niya mga numbers that are previously entered by the user.
So,
what
ibig
if
sabihin random siya, sir?
Yes,
Na
very good.
gusto ni user unsa iyang gusto buhaton maring ana, sir?
Yes, na unsa na mga numbers out of the numbers na gi-enter. So can we do that based ato ang program? Makaya ba sa atong program with the program that we have right now? Dili.
Makaya, sir.
Are you
Dili.
sure?
Sir.
Sir, mag another if statement asad ka na, sir. Og mag ano.
Dili na makaya kasi okay? Why? Because as the time or as the loop increases or as the loop increases, di ba ang input kay ma-replace with the value, the new value. So meaning ang input sa value karon or ang value sa input rather kay mapulihan na siya og value na bag-o na. So meaning to say, kung nag-input ka at first sa imuhang let's say 5, okay? And then the next time nag-6 ka and then nag-8, then nag-10, then nag-23 until naabot kag ika-1067. So, unsay last value sa input? Unsay last value sa input karon?
1,000, sir.
1,000? Ang gi-input sa user what if kani 67 ika-last mao ni
67, sir.
67, sir.
67. Okay, very good. So, now, na ni ang value ni input, dili na to niya ma-retrieve, dili na niya na kaya kwaon to ng mga values. Okay? So,
Tama.
Constant na gyud na siya, sir.
na
Nga ing ana siya, sir. Basta for example ing ani na ano, sir, na
what do you mean
murag-
constant? It's not constant, but let me correct it. I mean, pag inani siya na program, since wala ta naka-array, loop lang siya, plain loop, every now and then, ang input naga-change yung value, which is katong last value and the recent value, mao tong value sa input. So meaning, at the end of the loop, na moabot siya ika-1,000, kung unsa tong last nag-i-input nimo ika-1,000, mao na tong value sa input na variable.
nagets na day, sir.
Kaya,
Ibig-
nagets
Yes,
niyo?
sir.
Sige daw.
Sa
Mhm.
loop raman di ay ni siya, sir. Buod ni
Oo.
pasabot, sir.
So, nagets na?
Impossible man siya, sir, no, pero pag gumagamit lang tag impossible siya pag loop atong gamit, pero pag different atong gamito na program, sir, kay mag-run siya, posible siya.
What do you mean different?
Pag kanina program atong gamito na loop, sir, ba, nang loop lang nato na dili siya kapili og number, or pag i-type lang niya isa until 67 lang, kay imposible na saya para sa pag loop lang atong gamit, sir. Pero pag other sir, for example katong array na i-discuss nato, posible siya.
Yes,
Tama
yes.
ba?
Yeah. That's why I create impression here na ang program kaya na i-solve with different programming constructs, with whatever technique or strategy na imuhang okay? Kumbaga, sa programming, mura lang guna siya og magluto kag egg. Na kung gusto ka magluto og egg, there are many ways, no, on how to parang how to cook egg, no? Pwede siya bisan unsa nga pamaagi sa pagluto sa egg. So different ways, basta it's an egg. Like yung tag-boiled egg, pwede nimo ipababaw sa rice. Okay, boiled egg pero imuhang pabukalan. So boiled egg gihapon. So, di ba, the same. Okay, but however, if you are going to murag na nagpangutana, wait. Wala. Yes, yes, Javon De La Rosa.
Sir, kanang sa F ba, di ba? Simple partner mo gina sa else, magana ra na siya sa F mo dra.
F lang.
Sir, kanang
Oo.
gibuhat yung F lang man na siya, sir.
Oh,
Diba dapat partner na sa else, na na siya else.
dili, no need. Di ba, unsa dito kung gidiscuss sa inyo last time na if, katong single if. Di ba naatay last time na single if lang na you don't need there's no other option, only if lang, isa lang ang option nimo, wala na kailaing option. Kumbaga loyal ka, no, siya lang o siya lang no matter what happen. That's single if.
Okay,
So,
sir.
wala man tayo ibutang sa else, so wala tayo i-appeal. I mean, di ba? Wala man tayo ibutang sa else. I mean, sige. Anyway, nakuha niyo class. So what if nakuha nimo na ingon imong boss, okay, ika 10, ika 40, ika 98. Pero niingon imong boss, no, that is not what I meant. Gusto na ako na you will ask the user to let's say input the let's say sabay mo ano, what do you want to multiply? Okay, let's say what do you want to multiply? Ana ang program da, what do you want to multiply? So you will ask the user to kung sa iyang pang multiply, let's say katubang ika. So na kay input statement na ang user ang magbuot kung unsa iyang i-multiply, dili lang tong ika 10, dili ika 40, dili ika 98. Okay? So with that, kung inana atong program, we are not able to now, we cannot retrieve the numbers that are already entered. Mapulihan na to siya. So kumbaga sa loop, kung kinsa tong recent o pinaka-last nag input nimo sa loop lang, kung loop lang siya, mao to ang last and final value. Dili na nimo ma-retrieve ang mga values na imuhang gi-input or na-enter na previously. So, sama na sa kung unsa to yang sala last time, na dito yang sala, dili na to siya basta-basta ma-erase. So, I mean, maliktad. I mean, mo na to yahang sala di na basta ma-erase. Dapat na ma-erase. I mean, mapulihan na po itong bagong sala or unsa ba. I don't know what unsay analogy na pwede na to yan. Basta mapulihan siya with another value, and then another value that is going to replace it is the final value. Kasi you are not able, the program is, or the values are irretrievable. It cannot be retrieved and it cannot be parang fetch because there is no particular storage for that because we are not using array. So, nakuha ninyo class?
Pero sir,
yes,
napapangutan na sir.
Mm-hmm.
Pero sir, kaning di ba nag-if ka if I is equal to 10 sir. So pag ani siya sir kay gi-indicate nimo siya sa ano sir, pwede siya sir, possible siya nimo na ma-calculate nimo siya sir.
Possible, ma-calculate nimo. Yeah, possible.
Okay sir.
Okay, possible siya. But again, remember, possible siya, but it doesn't mean it works. It cannot be updated or it cannot be changed. No? So you have to take it as like it can be improved though it is working. Okay, so that is why array is here. And not only that, why array is important. So I'm just giving you an impression na actually, pwede naman, no need man of array. Like, pwede naman, why array? Nga naman mag-array ko, no? Yeah, pwede, but at some point, or in some cases, dili tanan program nimo ma-solve with array. So what I'm trying to show you here is that I provided you with a scenario na even though without array, even though without loop, kaya ra i-provide nato ang solution based sa atong understanding. However, there is best solution out of it. Okay? And then, and why we really need to understand array nga kaya raman na i-solve ni loops. So that is why gihatag kog scenario sa inyo na kaya i-solve sa loops pero it would be best na si array atong gamiton. And in fact, si loop is limited lang po iyang resources. Okay, kaya niya i-loop pero in a way na katong kung giingon, if let's say what do you want to multiply, na kay no, you are able to imong program ba na ay flexibility in asking for the user kung unsa iyang gusto ipang multiply na mga numbers, katubang numbers na ika 11, kato ika 25, kato ika 1,000, let's say ika 500 nagi-input sa user, so dili na to kaya diri sa atong program. Okay, so kung gusto ni mo ato, sige kag if and if condition, and every time wala man ta kabalo unsa i-input biya sa user, like unsa iyang gusto i-multiply. So every time ang user maingon nga kani iyang i-multiply, i-add nato siya sa condition nato. Inaana inyong gusto na program. Mag-base, so sige kag atang kung unsa may gusto ni user karon. Kani iyang i-add i-multiply. So dapat i-if condition na po nako ni. So magnagna ta, maghulat ta na ang user mo input inana. So we don't do that. We don't do or we don't allow that kind of program na that's actually say tawag ana, that's actually foolish. Kasi a program must be in a state that whether you are not around, whether the programmer is not present, it is always flexible in a sense that whatever input niya pang ibutang ka is kaya i-process ang program. Okay? So now, because of array, we are able to, solve this problem. Okay? Let's say, sige, before ko mag-discuss of array, I'm going to give you an example, or let's convert this into an array. So let's say for an instance, we have here, dili lang ta mag-abot og 1,000 kay medyo taas man kay no. So let's say 10 lang sa yan. So 10 numbers lang sa, by the way, mag-start siya with 0. Don't mind muna, ayan. And then we are going to store this, we are going to use this one. So may hana na siya. And then this time you will have to remove num na ini. You will have to remove this one. This will be num. Let's say ang num atong gi-array, ang input karon is saka na lang. Sige, we have here, let's say num I. Okay? So there no, masam nimo siya. And then let's say in your program na pa siya i-follow up what do you want to multiply. So let's say mag-input siya og tulo ka, or let's say tulo ka numbers, no? Tulo ka gusto niya na value sa imong gi-enter na iyang i-multiply. So out of, let's say 10, mag-input ka og tulo ka index value niya. Let's say we have here another, let's say A, B, C, o kana na mga values. So we have A, B, C. Okay? And then so kani ato lang yan, the product of 3 numbers. Okay, specify ni user will be atong i-multiply, like pwede po ka butang multiply kana kay multiply. Let's say multiply equals num A. So based sa unsang gi-input ni user, like unsa nga dili sa unsa nga gi-input ni user but unsa na index ang gi-input ni user, tapos unsa na value ato with that index or having that index. So we have num B plus num C. Okay? So here, gani mong ibuta, multiply. Okay, so though this kind of program is not that flexible, but if this is the case now, your program is a little bit flexible. No, dili siya full flexible because again, like tulo lang pwede nimo ma-sum, no? Tulo lang pwede nimo ma-multiply. So assuming lang tulo lang atong i-multiply. So pasabotan is what numbers or what do you want to multiply? So katubang ika third, ika fourth, ika fifth, or ika eighth, ika nine, ika ana gani. So depende sa unsa i-input ni user dire. So kung unsa tong numbers under that sa gi-input ni user, mao to ang i-multiply niya. So not the same earlier na static siya na if i-condition mo na if ika 10. So walay it's not user driven na ang user maka-enter o unsa makabuot o unsa na number iyang i-input. So gets ninyo wala?
Copy, sir.
Copy.
Go ahead, sir.
Okay, gets na lang, gets gamay. Okay, now, sige.
Medyo.
Medyo, okay. Sige lang, mabalikan ninyo na siya. Now, that's what array is all about. So, array is, or can be, isa sa pinaka-importante sa array is it can be, or the records or the values can be stored, and ang pinaka-importante is can be retrieved. Okay? So, it is retrievable. Okay? It can be retrieved. Okay? So, when we talk about retrievable, katong mga na-input before, pwede nimo siya makuha. Okay? So, kung plain loop lang imong gibuhat ato ganina, dili na nimo dili na nimo to ma-access tong mga previous na gi-input nimo. Okay? So, now let's start with array. So, when we talk about array, this is going to use this one, no, bracket. So, pag nakay mo makita na inana bracket, it is declared as an array. Okay, so let's say we declare our array to be of size 10. So, our array will be, it can now store 10 values without declaring katong first solution na to nga N1, N2, or num1, num2 up to num10. If you want to store 100, you just have to add 0. If you want to store 1,000, you just have to add 1,000, another 0. As simple as that, without declaring much variables. One single variable with one type, and only with you just have to declare an index value or size. So in this particular array, it can store now 1,000 values. Okay, so let's say we are only going to store 10. Okay. Another one is, let's say we have here value. So, or val. So val, okay, so this one, by the way, is declaration. Okay, declaration. Array declaration. Okay, this one is initialization. Initialization. So if you happen to see this na naa siya in ani, but it doesn't have any value inside of its bracket, if nakita lang nimo sa braces inana, so automatic kani siya. This is what we called initialization or array initialization. So the size of this is, or the length of this one is, ihapon lang nimo ni 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the size of this is 5. Size is, or length is 5. While this one is 10, no? Size is 10. However, wala siya values, wala siya initial values. So kumbaga, kani siya equivalent ni of kung tinamban siya, val1 equals 45, val2 equals 23, val3 equals 29 or not para dili kun ma-confuse rag siya val 0, val 1 and then val 2. Sir, anong 0 man kasi by the way, array starts always with 0. So si array always starts with 0. Dili na siya mag-start 0 tapos integer lang siya. Okay, integer and then 0. Dili siya pwede 1.5, dili 2.5, dili 5.0, dili 5.5. It's only integer, whole number. So 0 to the last index. So when we call this one, kani siya, ang tawag na to ani index kani siya. So if ang declaration nato nga kaning num is 10 iyang size, therefore ang index value ani is, okay, ang index niya is from 0 to 9. Okay? So 0 to 9. So kasi kung ihapon mo 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, that's 10. Okay? So 10 na siya ka storage. So kumbaga, ang imuhang program karon naghimo na siya og 10 ka sa kanina. Ako mangita ani asa man tong, sige, let's say dirita sa whiteboard. Okay, mag-whiteboard ta. Kaya lang, ayan, mouse. Okay. Sige. So, ano ang mahitabo sa array? It creates kahiwi po. Okay, so it creates an array of, let's say, ato ang ano is, ni ato ang array, no? So, naghimo siya inani. Let's say, morning num. Okay, num na array. Alright, so we have here index niya 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ba ni? Ayan, 6 na. 7. Iskot na. Wait. Imugana mo ni akong tab diri sa Mac karong. So, what na?
Diyan na, sir, pirma.
Oh, what na dyan siya. What happened nga naman eh? Sige, wait for a while. Murag nag-load siya or hinay ang internet siguro. Di siya makapili o basta inana siya 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So every index location na sa isa ka number na i-store na to siya sa num. So naunsa man niya tong kuan ato sa wala jud. Balik na lang ta dire. O basta from 0 to 9. Nakuha nyo class?
Yes,
Nakuha,
sir.
wala.
Sir, pero kung sa int val,
Opo.
pwede rin ako na sa dili butangan 42, 23 kung 1. Butangan yun ako na siya dira.
Pag magbutang ka ni nag-initialize ka, pwede ra pud mo dili butangan. It means nag-declare lang ka.
Okay, sir.
Declare lang ka. So, pasabot ani kung atong gamiton si val, okay? So let's say i-display nato si val. Cout val. Okay, kuhaon nimo ang first index or ang first value ni val. So index 0. Kuhaon nimo ang value ni index. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 dan di ay. So index 4. Okay? So if i-run nimo ang program, ang display ani is katong index at value at index 0 which is 45 and then value sa index 4 which is 10. So i-run na to siya. Saan i-close? Di lagi ni ma-close na. Pinapun mo grad. Okay, sige. Ikalag-kalag akong laptop. Working man siya pero what happened? Murag na ay nagagara-gara sa kuha.
Hapit na magkalag-kalag, sir.
Aling Marites,
Si Junjun, sir.
Mirian.
Junjun.
Auntie Mirian, Aling Marites, ayaw ko nyo binuangi kay nagklasiko. So, yeah, it's I don't know what happened, but it's I can type, but I can sing, I can type. Ito, I can type, but I can't dili na ako mag-response man ang akong mga sanipat. Nag-response siya pero delay. I know what seems to be the problem with this one. Sige, ako sa siguro ning na jud. Makita niyo akong screen?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Makaman, sir.
Pero sir, nakoy pangutana, sir ba?
Yeah,
Di ba
sige, sure.
nag-indicate
Ganahan
ang
ko na kayo
kaog
na.
int num, sir, tapos kanang naay kanang values niya na 10. Automatic ba na siya, sir, nga ang value sa 0 is val 1? For example, sir,
Taas
ba
sa
kay
dapit dira.
kana, sir, ba kana?
Sige.
Di ba, sir, ang
Mm.
ibuot nimong pasabot sa num is kanang i-input sa user kung pila sa kabuok. Tapos ang val, sir,
Yes.
mauna sa ang kanang katong gi-type sa user.
Kaning val, another declaration of array lang na siya nga nag-initialize ko og value niya daan. Katong num wala siya value. Oo, katong num
Okay.
wala siya value pero kaning val na siya value initially. So mo
Okay,
nang
sir.
pwede ra nako ma-display siya. Pero yon di lang nako makita. Wala na unsa jud ni. Ikalag jud akong laptop. Muhawa sa ako kadiyot pag party sa mo dira.
Yes, sir.
Di
Sige
ka
ako
pa-advance, sir.
Ayaw, sir. Recorded me, sir. Ayaw.
pag ano sa mo dira kay pagkanta-kanta sa mo recorded ato sa YouTube ba. Muhawa sa ako kadiyot and then ay ako siyang i-restart kay ambot nang unsa ni. Working man siya. Oo, working siya. And man-navigate sa
Laptop
responsive.
imo gamit, sir?
Oo.
Nga na sa doko, sir, mga buang.
Siguro sa iyahaning ano ba kaning Chrome grabe mo kunim ka og memory. Anyway, wait for a sec, you know. So wait for a sec and then basta hulat behave lang mo dira ha. So pwede mo magampo sa dira, magnobena sa mo dira kadiyot. Ako sa muhawa sa ako kay i-restart sa nako. Okay, bye-bye. Ka-restart pang ko. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Dayon lang, sir. Dayon lang.
Dayon? May bahaw?
Wala, sir. Naurot na.
Root ng bahaw?
Maygon ka, sir.
Oo. Okay, sige. Sige, padayon ta. Medyo, ano ka niya kung, una na, sige. O kana na lang. Umgo ni palong-palong akong kuan, mga isa na kabulan, may palong-palong ba?
Tungod yun na sa pahay ba?
Daraon na ang pain ako sa ni i-remove ni. Naaday pain di ay nagdagan, bantog ra.
Mao di ay.
Mao di ay.
Nako. Aw, man yung nakitaan kay man ko naka-share screen.
Naa sir oy.
Ay, na-share screen?
Kapit na may lansing ko ya. Biyag.
Naka-share screen ko?
Yes.
Di man ako ah. Di man ako ang screen. Eclipse man ako, di man G Creator.
Naka-record gyapon na sir?
Recorded ni siya. So, kita na nyo akong screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sige, balik ta atong paspasan, no? So, again, ang difference lang aning duha is, sige, ako sa ning tanggalo na declaration lang ni siya. Declaration, pasabot ana, nag-declare la tag array na ang size niya 10. So, wala pa siya values so far. Okay? So, unya nato, balikan lang nato na ato ang program is, dili sa ta focus. So, array starts with index 0, and then ang iyang ano is, ang size gani niya is kung pila ka buok ang sulod sa imong array. Tapos kung mayingon ta og iyahang index, mag-start siya with 0, meaning ang last index ana is iyahang size or length minus 1. So which is 4, dili siya apil 5. Okay? So that's why if i-run nato ni siya nga program, okay, paspasan ako kay medyo hapit na. It's almost 3:12 na, no? So we have here yan, medyo dugay lang po ninyong Eclipse. So, watay ba, natatog in end line. So, let's run again. So, yeah, if we get to run our program, this would display 45 and 10. Ayan. So, kung mapansin nyo na, display ang 45 and 10. So, let's say I'm going to put here, let's say, val 5. So, tanaw na to kung unsay mahitabo sa program. Okay, sige, end line. So, dapat ang program mag-error na sa compile or during sa pag-run, which is dili na siya mag-display. However, si C++, dili man gud siya mag-catch og mga errors. Unlike ni Java, si Java is i-detect na niya as an error because i-catch na ni Java. Si C++, though dili siya mag-error, but it's giving you random numbers. So, kung usa tong numbers sa 5, but it's actually indexed out of bounds, meaning there's no more or there's no index 5 based sa tuang program. So, walay index 5. In fact, murag nag-warning siya, dara array index 5 is past the end of the array which contains 5 elements. So, meaning ang array na to is until index 4 lang, which is val 4. Nakuha, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
So, if we are going to, access all the values, let's say I is less than equals to 0, mag-start man ta sa 0 para ma-access na tong index. And then we have I less than the value. So, tanaw to kung na ay, walay ano ang sani, that length. So, let's say 5. And then I plus plus. So, if we want to display the values of this array, ano sis out? Nag-Java na noon ko. So, we have here, let's say I, and then space, something like that. So, if you run na to ang program, this would display numbers, now 45, 23, blah, blah, blah. So, then 25, 23, and so on and so forth. So, the advantage of array is that anywhere in your program, pwede ka paghimo og another loop accessing the value. Let's say you want to display the mga add numbers lang. Let's say if val let's say val I modulus to 2 is equal to 1. So i-display lang nimo siya. We have here val I. So meaning only add numbers ang ma-display. So let's yan magsumpay day ni ron. Wait.
Hindi na may naog, sir.
Hmm?
Hindi na may naog.
Dili ko. Wait lang. So we have here what happened. Ang sa ingon niya. If val operands binary is modulus 2, what happened? Is equal to
initial
wait. Imo ano error ba si unsa ni? Invalid operands to binary expression. So if val I modulus to 2 is equal to anong invalid man?
Sir, isa lang tong ko answer katong tapad sa I. Tung less than na cancel ba katong
Ay, okay. Maayo imong mata. So hingaon jud ka
Kulang,
kalabasa.
sir.
Dili man okay, wait. Irana na to ni. Okay na ni. Magsumpay pod ni. Wait lang. So we have here C out and line. Okay, so kani yung keyboard nako ba? Palitanan na jud ni. Unta na maka-donate. Yan. So only add numbers ang na-display. So again and again, every now and then na gusto nimo i-process ang mga values sa imong array, you can always retrieve it. So that's the key there, no? Retrievable ang array, retrievable ang record sa array or ang values sa array. So kung loop lang na siya, plain loop, walay array, you are not able to do this kind of program na ma-retrieve nimo tong mga records or mga values na store sa array. Okay? So in fact, if you guys want to change the value of array, let's say for an instance, i-change nimo ang value ni array like alter array value. So example, dili lang sa ta mag-input ha kung sa na index. So i-change na to ang value ni array I is equal to array 2 is equal to 65. So ang index 2 which is 0, 1, 2, so 29 mahimo siyang 65. So we can call this again here. So pwede na to siya i-check kung na-change pa jud siya to if we are able to change the value 65, a value of index 2 which is now 65. So ayan. So let's run the program and then okay. So there, no? Snap change siya by 65. So that's the behavior of array. So yan. So now, what if question sa before ta mag-proceed. Sige, question sa I know you have questions. Do you guys have questions?
Not so far, sir.
Sir, unsa gani nang sir o kanang I
Secret.
is isa na sir?
Asa dapit na?
I is equal to 0, I is less than 5. Unsa nang 5 pasabot diha, sir?
Ay kani. Para
Yes, sir.
mag-loop lang siya kutob sa length or
Nga
sa
5,
size.
sir.
Oh, 5.
Mao sir.
Okay. Sige.
mag-base
sige,
gyapon ka
now,
sa imong sir Gibaldi, sir.
sa dire kung pila ka buok.
Oo, sir. Oo. Dire sa imong
Oo.
ibutang dito
Yes.
sa
Oo. mag-base ka kasi kung dili ka mag-base, check na to be kung naabay actually na ay check na to kung allow naabay siya sa kuha size of check na tong size of ang size of kasi dili sa di man guni sa integer maguni dili maguni siya sa length sa array. Anyway, sa C++ na ni siya pero kung mag-Java tapuhon na ay dot length na identifier actually. So ayan, if mag-10 ka dire, actually si array di jud dire maghatag og mga as I've said, si C++ dili siya mag-error pero so, dapat index out of bounds na. Okay? Index out of bounds meaning dili na siya numbers based sa tuang nakita dire. It is given by our compiler randomly. So mao na yang gipanghatag So kung 10 siya ka murag maghatag automatically si C++ compiler og random numbers from 2 billion na siya kay integer man eh. So 2 billion to 0 to 2 billion ana ang size. So pero kung sa other programming language ni error jud na mayon siya index out of bounds. So meaning wala dili na kaabot sa meaning lapas na ta sa index nato. Kay 4 lang man ang index nato ani. Nakuha class.
Kuha pa sir sa libcc lang tama buang sir.
Sa C++. O
Ato na dili na.
okay ra pod. Saba. To tell you honestly, the first language that I know was C and C++. I actually don't I'm not familiar with Java before. So I just learned it by myself and then it seems like pareha lang man ang syntax. However, alam yung mga other things or it's actually full of robust libraries. Daghan lang yung library si Java. Si C++ naman siya mga libraries similar to Java but dili siya for me personally based sa akong experience dili siya ka healthy sa ako healthy in a way na like for an instance sa array makuha na ko ang length object siya makuha na ko ang length sa array ako ang size or capacity sa array sa C++ as you observe dili nato siya ma-capture but again there is a way for that so anyway ato ang anuhon so let's say mangyayo tag input from the user and we are going to store that to our array so let's say 10 integers okay so this time we will need to use loop para maka-store ta og values so ato na lang iano dire int max okay so morning max capacity sa atong array so let's say max and then if you want na 10 siya okay 10 lang atong max para ang max atong gamiton rather than or instead of number na fixed so let's say int I is equal to 0 I is less than max okay and then I++. So this time, mag-base siya sa max. If gusto ka na 11, 12, no? 50, or 50, so 50 po imuhang max. So 50 times po ni mag-loop. So dili na ka mag-change diri sa imuhang kani. Kaya kasi kung imong ibutang diri 50, and then imong max is 50, what if nag 100 ka dira? So, dili ang loop niya is 50 times lang dili to 100 wherein ang array na to 100 siya taman so that is why it would be better na lang so this is one of the techniques na mas okay siya gamiton so you use variable to represent the size of your array so if you guys don't want max pwede man ka mag size no pwede ka mag capacity or length depende sa imuhang trip. Okay? So this time we will just use max and then we are going to let's say i-add na to. So this is this one is use or store numbers to array. So store numbers to array. So let's say we have here cout. So enter enter value. So let's say ato ang pakapinan ri og I plus 1. So enter value. So sa array, sige, array nato, array po naton style. Like this one is I and then followed by equals. Yan. Then cin, we have here num I. Okay? So this is storing numbers to array. So mag-store tag 10 ka numbers sa array through this one. So again, ang na-change lang jud diri sa imong program pag magamit tag array is na jud siya yung mga indices. Okay? So yan, hana siya inani. Mula na yung mabantayan mo pag array na ka. Okay? So let's say for an instance, i-retrieve nato ang array. Okay, retrieve. Okay, or display elements of the array. So you can just copy the loop and then right here, butang nimo the C out the mong C in, of course. Let's say the C out the elements of array R. Okay, so we have here, let's say you want na num I, yeah, and then ana, or if you guys want to have like gusto nimo na ay na siya sige, i-run sa nato ang program, then mag-display taog array na kanang pina-array pod ang style. So let's say enter value for array or enter value 0, so 23, 56, 78, 23, 100, 45, 23, 89, 34, and then 58. Ano pa jud ay? 12.
100.
100 din atong max. Sorry lang. My goodness. So 100 di jud ko mahuman ato. Okay. So sige lang, maghimo kog duha ka display sa array para you will see unsay difference. So I know for some medyo if na bored mo sa ato ang discussion, it's okay. Kasi ang uban dili kayo familiar sa array. So let's say ato ang buhaton is in anita num or val manino. Num di ay. Sige, we use num. So num and then I. Okay, and then that's it. Equals. So ibutang nato kung sa value ni num I. So num tapos I. And then butang tag \n. Okay? So natay duha ka value or duha ka display sa atong array. So there, no? Pwede nimo basta ang importante sa array jud na ma-appreciate niyo diri is that in your program pwede nimo ma-retrieve ang mga values that are already entered previously. So mao jud ang pinaka-essence sa array. So nanatay murag storage niya by just simply declaring it as it can store up to this much na value and then pwede nato siya ma-retrieve anywhere pwede nato siya ma-retrieve anywhere sa atong program. So right here ano maning the elements of okay, so wala tayo \n. Ako ipakita sa inyo. So I have here the elements of array are 12, 34, 18, 35, 100. So mauning diri kaning 24 to 28 na line. Ang next line is the elements of array are, so iyalan gi-display unsa tong gi-input sa user. And since na-input nato unsa to na kuha nato unsa to or na-capture nato unsa tong mga gi-input sa user, pwede na nato na siya i-process. Like I don't know what do you want to do with the numbers. So like for an instance, if you want to process numbers kung let's say i-ano nimo kung i-display nimo ilahi nimo only i-capture lang nimo ang even numbers. So retrieve even numbers. So balik ta. So the elements, the even values of your array are, okay? So you have here something like if, so RAM, so you have I modulus to 2 is equal to 0, and then display diretso. Yan. So let's run the program and then let's input. So 76, 56, 43, 58, sa pa 103, 115. Yan. So the even values of your array are so 12, 100, 18, 76, 56, and 58. Sige, before ko mo proceed, question. May question?
Proceed.
Butangan.
Sige, go ahead. Kung saan naman to, nagdungan mo, tapos karon
Average, sir ba?
ano?
Butangin daw sample na ka ng average, sir. Paano ng average input? Ay, input.
Kuha na tong average sa gi-input. Unsay gusto nimo ki average na gi-input sa
Sir.
user? Gusto nimo dire or manghimo tang another loop?
Dira gyapon, sir.
Dire within the loop. Or dire sa loop or
Sir, usab.
himo tag another loop.
Sir, katong pa lab quiz nimo sa amo, sir.
Kadto, di man to array. Sige, answer na to. Wala na may question sa array so far sa karon.
Wala na, sir.
Sige daw, sir.
Pero
Sir.
napa man siya question unsa to katong sa average, no? Okay, sa average. Unsa tong average na to? So ang average pwede na maghimo kag another loop or pwede dire. So i-try na to. Diha nga loop or maghimo tag another loop. So duha ang pwede ka maghimo another loop sa calculate the average. Calculate the average. So if inana imuhang so you just have to create, let's say, ave equal to 0, and then let's have here we'll have to get the sum. So then na nato i-declare. So let's say we have here sum equals to 0. Ayan. So right here nani lang imong baton sum plus equals to num I. Okay, and then after that, makuha na nimong sum, kuha din nimong average is equal to sum modulus to max. Kasi max value ang max value man ang atong So the average is ave. So if gusto ka loop another loop, okay, kani siya average na. Pwede pud nimo siya diri kwaon ang average. So let's say na kay dire average. It's an average. So equals to 0. And then para makuha nimo ang sum, kuha sa plus equals to num I. Okay? And then para ma-display or makuha nimong average, so pwede diretso dire, pwede na gani dili ka the average is sum divided by max. Or kung magigamiton ba nimo ng average, depende sa imo no? So average is equal to sum max. Ayan. So kani i-display nimo dire average na instead of anana. So kani dire another way, meaning this is we just took advantage of the loop, no? So i-make sure lang nimo na ang sum nimo dire is ibalik nimo to 0, i-reset nimo, reset to 0. Kasi ang sum nato diri sa taas na change naman. So i-reset nimo to sum. This is another way to calculate the average in a separate loop. Okay? Kani within the pag-input pa lang nimo, gi-capture na nimo ang gikuha na nimo ang sum para you are able to get the average. Okay, question. Question. May question? Wala.
Ano, sir?
Wala na. Okay, sige. So, i-stop na to ang recording. Okay? Mag-record ta sa katong inyong lab quiz.